Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your manager in gameplay of eFootball 2024. So, before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the objective or missions, how and how you can challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. If you have a new manager, for example, tap the contract, the last one, manager list. If you have a previously add new manager here, you can change it in the game plan. So if you do not have plus, please, sign the manager here. For example, I want to sign this Didier Deschamps. Here, tap sign with 59,000 GP. Tap OK. Let's get back. Please go to your game plan. So this is the club page or your squad page. Tap this your manager picture. Just tap this change manager. So this is your default manager. Just tap the new one, Didier Deschamps. Tap to confirm. And manager change to Didier Deschamps. So he is a better manager that with better proficiency, as you can see here. The default one is 50, but this Didier Deschamps is quite useful here. And you can change your playstyle here with according your manager. Just type position game or long ball counter here. He is best in long ball counter. Just tap to your team playstyle here. So it will change according or your manager best proficiency. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.